Amazing decision. I knew you were one of the action takers. Congratulations, and thank you for your trust in us. We promise that you will receive all that we stated and more inside your Vid-Host Pro members area. Now, as an action taker, I know that you're ready to get started, but let me just ask you, would you like to supercharge your purchase? Would you like to add even more tools to your collection so that you can make even more profit faster and easier? I'm super excited to introduce to you Vid-Host Pro Elite with the power to take your business to the next level by getting full flexibility to do virtually anything unlimited. Elite will also skyrocket your visitor engagement by giving your videos a unique look, unlock proven converting templates to multiply opt-ins and sales, and unlock never-seen-before features. You already know the power of Vid-Host Pro, and now you're about to find out how to multiply that and make you the market pro with the power of Elite. Interested? Yeah, let's check it out. You could create unlimited businesses and subdomains. This will keep your business completely separate from your client's business and also maximize the efficiency of your organization. You could connect unlimited custom domains to build authority and credibility as well as get better exposure in the search engines. You could share videos and courses for yourself or for your clients using custom domains and logos. You will get up to 1 terabyte per month bandwidth to showcase all of your videos. That's 5 times more than you get with the main offer. You could serve unlimited clients in any niche without any restrictions. Charge them for your services on an ongoing basis and keep 100% of the profits in your pocket. You could create unlimited video channels to boost your brand building efforts as well as reach out to widely scattered clients. You could also create unlimited playlists in any channel to group your videos so that users can see the videos in a sequence to keep them watching. You could also collect unlimited leads and make the most of them without any restrictions. And that's not all. We've got many other amazing features for you. You'll get 5 stunning and ready-to-use video players, which you could customize with color and theme and even give it the feel of your own or your customer's brand. You'll also get 8 attractive and eye-catching frames to customize your player to hook your visitors. The video A/B loop playing functionality actually allows visitors to watch a part of a video for a specified duration on loop. An extra 40+ proven lead generation and promo ad templates with drag and drop editor included. Collect contact details and sell services, affiliate products, and e-com products right from inside the video and boost your profit. Capture more leads and get visitors' feedback by allowing all your visitors to interact on your video page or channel. Get hordes of traffic for your offers by getting your videos shared on top social media platforms with social sharing ads. Get your subscribers auto-registered for your webinars to present your training or sales presentations with webinar platform integration. And lastly, you're getting all these benefits at an unparalleled, ridiculously low price. Ultimately, you are saving thousands of dollars monthly with us, and every dollar that you save adds to your profit. Not only are you saving money, you're also taking your business to the next level. Note these exclusive features and bonuses are only available for Vid-Host Pro Elite customers. Remember that these premium features were developed by marketers for marketers, and no other software comes close as a result. With your access today, you'll be able to explode the unlimited potential for unfair profits in any niche. But there is a small catch. This offer is really only available today and only right now. We're making this exclusive offer for a minimal investment only to those people who already picked up Vid-Host Pro. Before your competitors catch on, start making profit with the amazing features that you are getting with this very upgrade. Your investment is covered by the same rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. You've already made the wise decision to invest in Vid-Host Pro. Now it's time to leverage the power of Elite, which can get you unlimited profits on complete automation. Just rinse and repeat. hit the button below and we'll see you on the inside.